Hi, ako si Abraham. Ngayon, magsasamaris ako ng making good decisions. Okay. We go to school every day and make decisions. We decide what to eat at breakfast and lunch. Pumupunta tayo sa school every day. Tapos nag-decide tayo ano kinakain natin sa breakfast, lunch, at dinner sa bahay. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Minsan ganyan din ako. Sorry, Pancho.
We decide what games to play at center time. We decide what books to read and what to draw. These are good decisions. They are good for us and good for those around us. Pwede nag-decide anong gusto nating laruin. Pwede maglaro sa cellphone. Nag-decide, anong gusto nating basahin. At mag-draw at magsulat. Nag-decide tayo mag-draw at magsulat. Good decisions yun.
Dahil ko naman di dadan. Pakala ko nung
Akala niya yung next year ang tagal-tagal.
In school, it is a good decision to say nice things to our classmates.
Kaya parang ang tagal.
When we say nice things, it makes the other person happy. Good decision daw sa school ang pagsasabi ng magaganda bagay sa kaklas. Matutuwa sila doon. Wala, sabihin mong pogi. Yung classmates mo. Matutuwa yan. Sabihin nga thank you. Sabihin mong pogi, ako yung maganda. Kung sasabihin silang pangit. Sometimes at school things happen that can make you angry or scared. When this happens, it's a good decision to talk to an adult. They can help. Sa school, pwede ka magalit o matapon. Kausapin mo yung magulang mo. Tutulungan ka nilang maging kalmado. Kalma lang. Huwag ka magalit. Matakot. These are things you can do when you are angry or scared. An adult can help you calm down. So what is making you angry or scared?
I'm listening, Bram. Go ahead.
Yan. Di ba nga sinabi ko? Sasabi ko kanina, tutulungan ka ng adult paging kalma ka ba? Galit ka o natatakot. Ayan. Ayusin ka nila. Ayusin nila yung kilos mo. Pwede kasi kanila siguro pasayahin. Sometimes kids make bad decisions. They might say things to other kids and make them feel sad and scared. Bad decision ang magsabi ng meeting sa iba. Mapapahiya. Tulad ng pangit mo. Sometimes when people are bad and scared, sad and scared, they make bad decisions. The school is a bad decision that is dangerous for everyone. Bringing things to school might hurt someone is a bad decision. Sorry, excuse me.
Sabi nga ni teacher, Sam, swallow mo na.
Gumagawa din sila ng bad decision kapag nagagalit at natatakot. Pag nagdadala ka ng mga gang sa school, bad decision. Dangerous yan. Masasaktan yung ibang tao nun. If you hear about someone bringing something dangerous to school, tell an adult. If you hear someone saying someone tell an adult. It's a good decision if someone is being used or doing something dangerous to school. Kailangan sabihin ng ano na nagdadala ng dangerous sticks tulad ng kutsilyo, gunting, baril, at iba pa. Dangerous sticks yun. Kailangan sabihin sa adult. Kailangan kailangan sabihin dito sa ano pag nagsasabi ng meetings tulad ng pangit ka
Follow the
pero
pattern. Go.
Iip ka lang siya na.
so remember to make good decisions. Tandaan, pag good decisions na kayo, huwag gumawa ng bad decisions. Tell nyo lang yung ano nyo pag may gumawa ng bad decisions. Okay?